wheel.
No.
No, I can't the fly. I can't the rabbit. I can't the fly. I can't the dog.
Mm-hmm.
I can't the bird. I can't the cat.
Yeah.
Huh? I can't the baby. I'm a cat I can't the
You want mommy to read it?
why, Mom?
Uh-huh, good job. Okay, you want me to read it now?
I'm a dog, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I bet the cat, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Okay, there was an old lady who swallowed a cow. Okay, let's go.
No.
Yeah, I don't know how she swallowed the cow. She swallowed the cow. She swallowed the cow to catch the dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. She did it in the one try. And if she had a frog that's sly, I'd rather have ham on rye. Right? There was an old lady who swallowed a horse.
I swallowed the horse.
Mm-hmm.
It's humongous.
Mm-hmm.
I swallowed the fly. Please. I
Let him
swallowed
read
the
it.
fly, Mom.
I swallowed the fly.
It was easier when you grab.
No, let him.
I swallowed the dog, Mom.
Yeah. And what is that one?
No, a fly.
Oh. Ooh.
And that for
Mm-hmm. What's that for?
fly.
Mm-hmm. Fly. Okay, that's the next page. Okay.
She died, of course.
She died, of course. It was the last course. I'm filled with remorse. What left is to say? Even the artist is crying. We'll miss her dearly. It is such a loss. She had on time to floss. She missed out on the sauce. Yeah? That's it.
What about the one about bugs?